Hello, my name is Scott, and welcome back to another episode of Gear Up with Gregg. Today we're going to get energized and delve deep into the world of Attwood Battery Boxes. Well, let's start out with what a battery box is and what it does. Like it says in the name, the box is for batteries, but why would you need to use one? One of the main reasons that people use battery boxes is to protect the battery. Battery boxes prove to be a great investment in Canada since they provide an extra layer of protection should your battery crack in the frigid winters. Now, for what it does. A battery box keeps battery acid from potentially spilling out and harming not just the battery, but the materials and people nearby as well. It contains the battery so it is not able to shift more than an inch in any direction, which prevents it from becoming damaged even if the box is tipped over. The box also keeps the battery terminals, the metal electrical contacts on your battery from coming into contact with other metal objects, which could result in quite the shock. To understand a battery box, we first need to understand the batteries we are putting inside them. Batteries are organized into groups based on a series of numbers developed by Battery Council International, or BCI. BCI publishes the industry standards for lead-acid batteries, including testing standards, battery dimensions, and amps. The BCI group numbers identify the exact battery used in vehicles based on case size, voltage, maximum overall dimensions, terminal arrangements, and special features that affect battery fit. If you are looking for the BCI number on your battery, it can be found at the top of the battery. Don't be confused by the series of numbers or characters beside it. What we want is the BCI group. These numbers identify the different sizes and shapes of batteries, including the length, width, and height. For example, if your car battery is a Group 24, you can use any Group 24 battery. When you go to replace it, any battery from any manufacturer that has the same group number will fit your car. Now, what type of a battery needs a battery box? Well, lead-acid batteries should be in a battery box if they're exposed to the elements. These batteries, as the name suggests, contain lead, which is a very toxic metal that can be absorbed by the body and the environment. There is also sulfuric acid in these batteries, which can be very corrosive. Not a bad idea to protect yourself from that kind of material. Deep cycle, lead acid, or batteries on a high charge emit hydrogen gas. Most often the gas from a deep cycle battery is formed when you overcharge a battery. And if the concentration of hydrogen gas becomes 4% or higher, boom! You might have an explosion on your hands. Not an ideal situation, whether you're on land or water. A battery box will provide a safe vent to divert any gas that is produced by a battery during recharges, so they don't build up within the box. Here at Gregg's, we carry the Attwood battery boxes in 5 different sizes. We have the small box, which is suitable for the Group 16 batteries. The standard box, both vented and non-vented, which is designed for Group 24 and Group 24M batteries. The Power Guard 27 box, which is designed for Group 27, 27F, and 27M batteries. And the large box, which can be used with Group 29 or Group 31 batteries. Battery boxes can be used on your RV or in a warehouse environment where you want to protect the battery from spillage and debris, for a spare battery in your car or garage, or even a portable charger to bring with you on your next camping trip. The Attwood battery boxes have been drop tested in temperatures ranging from -29 degrees Celsius to +49 degrees Celsius. And the hold down straps can resist up to 350 pounds of force. So even if you're hauling your trailer down a bumpy oil-filled road, your box will not likely rattle loose. Installing a battery box is fairly simple. Each Attwood box comes with mounting hardware and the brackets that hold your strap in place once you've installed them. Set your battery box where you would like it to be located and take your first mounting bracket and slide it underneath the front edge of the box. That way it will sit flush with the box when installation is complete. Do the same with the other side of the box. Mark your screw location and remove the mounting brackets. Lay your strap between the marks where the gap in the mounting bracket is, then place your brackets over the strap and screw them into place. This way your strap is secure and sturdy. Place the box on top of your strap, strap it into place, and you're ready to hit the road. And in a pinch, you can even use your new battery box as a place to keep your picnic supplies.
Gregg Distributors LP does not recommend using a battery box as a lunch kit. In fact, it's absurd that you would think we would. I mean, come on, it's meant for batteries, not sandwiches. Actually, these Attwood Battery Boxes are made from polypropylene plastic, so technically it would be safe, but let's be honest, it would look ridiculous. Then again, it's your life. Who are we to judge?
Now, I'm going to go enjoy my lunch, but if you have any other questions, please don't hesitate to call us, or you can visit our website at greggdistributors.ca. Again, I'm Scott, and thank you for watching another episode of Gear Up with Gregg. And remember, have a great Canadian day.